Yes, it is very similar to that sugary sweet kind of vibe. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are actually exploring Afnan's discovery set for all these bouquet perfumes. So we are going to test this one, Violet Bouquet in the middle. I'm going to show you the bottle over here and let's find out how it actually smells. So I'm going to open this. Let's read the notes for. Okay, so it's woody, saffron, bergamot. I really love these notes. Caramel, amber, orange, citrus peel, ambergris, oak moss, ancient woods. All the notes are in check with my nose. I really love those. Let's find out if it really stands out for its quality and how it actually evolves. Never ever buy perfumes on the base of any influencer. I am actually very honest and a bit harsh in my reviews. So make sure you watch the whole series. There are other I have tested from Afnan. So I'm going to spray the Violet Bouquet. Oh, this is really good. This is really lovely perfume. It is balsamic, woody, sweet, kind of reminds you of Baccarat Rouge 540. So this is a really, yes, it is very similar to that sugary sweet kind of vibe. Caramel is very sweet over here. It is like burnt sugar. This is really lovely. So if you like DNAs like Baccarat Rouge or DNA like sweet caramel, wood, saffron, sweet, like uplifting kind of perfumes, this is for you. Really lovely. This is a really well done perfume. Want something similar to Baccarat Rouge 540? You have to buy Violet Bouquet. So this is one very similar profile to Baccarat Rouge. It is a sweet, it is burnt sugar, light burnt sugar, caramel sweet, airy, light woody, light balsamic. Now it is turning towards the more woodiness, but overall it is very lovely. It has some Arabic touch to it, like a musky, sweet, ambergris kind of, dry down, which you get from some of the Arabian perfumes. It has that touch. Very lovely perfume. Violet Bouquet, if you want a replacement for Baccarat Rouge 540, Violet Bouquet is the one you have to buy. It has saffron. I can clearly smell saffron. It doesn't have orange or orange peel much, not much citrus. There is citrus in the background, but it is not detectable. Maybe a light tint of bergamot, maybe something like that. Mostly it's sweet, airy in the start, very uplifting, burnt sugar, caramel, light caramel, maybe ambergris or like saltiness, light saltiness is there. Now here is my 2 cents about Violet Bouquet. It is a very good replacement of Baccarat Rouge 540. I still prefer the Arabian Oud Busma over this one. Arabian Oud Busma is more sophisticated than this one. It has a little bit of different direction, but this is a very good replacement for Baccarat Rouge or similar DNAs. So if you like these kind of perfumes, I hope you have enjoyed this review. I'm going to give some numbers. I'm going to give it like 7 out of 10. Not very unique or very great blend, but it has a very nice vibe. I think it is almost, I would say it is safe blind buy. In my opinion, it is a safe blind buy. I think most of the people, they are not going to dislike this one. So if you like to have a sweet aroma around you, this is what you should buy. 7 out of 10 for scent profile and performance. I would say 7 out of 10 average, almost average performance. So this is my review about Violet Bouquet from Afnan. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, you want to share something with me, Always write that in your comments. I would love to reply them and talk about perfumes. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.